I dip in the water first?
No,
Maybe not
it's
because you have
consider water, but
So
plenty of that, plenty of them. Then yeah,
plenty
plenty of ink,
okay.
and the tape on the side.
And today we are
Not too
celebrating.
dried.
We are celebrating joy,
Yes.
and I am about to demonstrate my first joy is calligraphy on big paper. Is that enough? Hopefully. I have to go with how I feel.
And you hold it like this? Whatever, grab it, whatever.
Like this?
Yeah, grab it. Or this way, or this way. Just, yeah.
Whatever illumines your path, I will consider as my friend. There are no enemies, no barriers in the heart. There is only wishing you well. Your joy is my joy is your joy. Your joy is my joy for sure. This is a song in my heart. Sing along, sing along. This is a song in my heart. Sing along.
Very good. Yeah. I found that place and a little bit, and then you saved it, keep it going. That's the way. And at the very starting part, you kind of get ready. That moment is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it went like this. I was nervous.
Yes, the move, and you make it stable, and you continue to go. You saved it, and totally shows the wholeness. Okay, like the music. Sometimes you got exactly in the presentation, right? Your interpretation, you need to save it, continue to go, because you're on the stage, right?
Yeah, but it feels really good to do it.
Yeah.
It's like your whole body goes.
Yeah.
And you as well, like I feel you, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, it's more than just the brush.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay. And the first movement, as I told you, like get ready, right? Get ready.
Yeah.
And it just the silent there, a moment. That one I really like.
Yes.
I really like. You got it. Yeah. Very good. Very
Thank
good.
you so much.
Congratulations for the day and for your, this writing. Very beautiful. I like it.
I want to say thank you to both of you, Henry and Victoria, from the bottom of my heart. You have no idea how excited I was to come here, and probably I've been waiting more than a year now because I've been contacting you via online. So yeah, it means a lot. And today especially it's the release of the Joy song, and I hope we can inspire many people also to just enjoy art. And I want to add, coming physically, meeting you, it divides the love, the passion, everything. So I recommend as well if you can go.
Thank you.
Meet Victoria and Henry.
I'm glad
Yes.
that you enjoyed the day.
So much.
Thank you. Thank you. Be honored to
Yes.
have you. Come for the workshop, and really like to have to see your painting and calligraphy.
And thank you for having me for witness my first brush.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.